Imagine this. You have watched a movie that you were really looking forward to, and you went for the first day first show. You saw the movie and you came out of the movie theater excited to share the experience with your friends. And you realize that one of your friends hasn't watched the movie, but they want you to tell them what it was about. So, you condense a 2.5-hour movie into a short narration of 5 minutes. In this narration, you would only focus on the important scenes or the plot points that move the story along without going into too much detail about who said what, to whom, and how many fight sequences were there, or how many songs the hero and the heroine broke into. You can do this because you have paid close attention to the movie and you are able to choose what information is pertinent in order for your friend to understand the story. This is the same principle we apply to summary writing. When we receive an unseen passage for which we need to write a summary, we must first read it paying close attention to all the details from start to finish. We have to understand what the main idea of the passage is, if there are any supporting ideas, and what evidence is there for each idea. We then need to identify what keywords and technical expressions are there in the passage. This is important because while we must write the summary in our own words, the keywords and the technical terms from the original passage should not be changed. You can do all this by underlining the words and phrases that describe the major ideas and keywords in the original passage. The idea of the summary is that it is a short version of the original passage, so it should always be shorter. The summary is also presenting the ideas of the original passage, so when writing the summary, we should take care that our personal feelings and opinions about the topic are not expressed in it. For the summary itself, use a thesis statement as the introductory sentence. A thesis statement is a short, simple sentence that identifies the main idea of the passage. The summary should be written in your own words, without copying from the original, with good grammar, correct spelling, and proper punctuation. It should be written in the present tense and have a short and appropriate title. If the title and the author of the original passage is mentioned, then that information should be mentioned in the summary as well. It will help your summary if you reduce the descriptions that are given in the original passage.